Hi, here's video 3 in our acne series, and the question is, how do you make hairline acne go away? Sue Moore here, and I've got a few tips for you on that. So let's go. You are brushing your hair, and you notice these bumps up here, and you think, well, what the heck can that be? And sure enough, they're pimples, and yes, just when you thought you were getting rid of your acne or it was long gone, all of a sudden that starts to pop up. Well, how can that be? Well, it's really kind of simple. As I've said before, pimples start when you take dead skin cells and excess oil, and they combine, and then they find a pore, and bingo, there they go. So, but we often forget that our scalps have a certain amount of oil on it. Some people have a lot more than others, but nevertheless, when you combine that with hairspray or gel or styling products, all of those things can add to the environment where these pimples are going to start. So that's the first thing. The second thing is your makeup, because it too can be a clog pouring culprit if it is not thoroughly washed away every night into the hairline. Your facial cleanser, another could be culprit if it too is not washed away when into the hairline. So I mean, I don't know who knew all that stuff. It was news to me. But here's a couple of tips. First of all, basic step, when you remove your makeup, you want to make sure you go up and into the hairline. And you can get that done by using a quality makeup remover, kind of like a baby wipe. And they're fast, easy, and even when you're dead dog tired and you just say, screw it for tonight, I want to go to bed, you need to take that wipe and go over your face. It'll take, 3 minutes, and then you can flop into bed, okay? I say that because I've been there and I've done that. So anyway, when you are washing your face, you want to make sure, again, to get up into the hairline, because many times we just kind of stick around right here and say, oh, that won't make any difference. And then over time, it really does make some difference. So the other thing you want to remember too about washing your hair, you want to wash your hair frequently and obviously rinse it thoroughly. But if you use the gel or styling products that may be a little bit waxy, you want to make sure that you are getting all of that stuff out when you are washing your hair, which might require you to do two separate rounds of washing, what have you. But that also, those two things, those styling products can seal the pores, trapping in dirt and oil and bacteria, and there's no place else for anything to go but to come out as a pimple. So there you go. Now, if your hairline is the only place where you have acne, you might want to try a clarifying mask that contains sulfur, and that probably will reduce the oil and unclog pores, okay? If you have acne in other parts of your face, you really will want to use an adult acne regimen all over, okay? Because spot treating acne just doesn't work. If you take care of the spot here, it's going to pop out over here someplace. So if you have acne on other parts of the face, you want to use a full face treatment, okay? Now, so let's just recap real quick. Pimples start, as we've been saying throughout this whole series, when excess oil mixes with dead skin cells and it clogs the pore. Other things can be the culprits in clogging pores, such as hairspray, mousse, gel, shampoo, even your facial cleanser. You want to remove makeup at night for sure. You want to wash your face up and into the hairline. You want to, it kind of sounds like a long laundry list, but these are things that you just kind of do. I mean, it's, this is not, 5 minutes really, but when you list them out, they kind of sound like, oh my gosh, who's got that time? Anyway, but as I said, you wash your hair frequently, rinse it thoroughly, and beware of the styling products to make sure that they are actually being washed out of your head, out of your hair rather, I should say. So that's it for today on video 3. And if you would like, I do have a little more elaborated PDF on washing away hairline acne. And if you'd like to have that, just message me, because I love being your guide and helping you to save time and money in getting the skin of your life. So stay tuned. We'll do video 4. Well, it'll be out sometime soon, I guess. Journey well. Talk to you soon. Bye.